Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. The first healthy air fryer 2-in-1, air fry and grill by Tefal. 4.2 liter capacity up to 6 persons with fast cooking, no preheat, grill grit to grill any type of foods, cook healthier, little to no oil, timer up to 60 minutes with auto shut off, and adjustable temperature up to 200 degrees Celsius. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. And here we have the user manual. The power cord with a length 1.2 meters. Ventilation at the back. Soft elements at the bottom, the feet, ventilation. I like the design. We can see this silver area at the top, some informations for different ingredients, cooking times and temperatures. And of course here we have the adjustable temperature, 0, 80, 120, 160, 200 degrees Celsius, the maximum. And here you can choose the timer, 10, 20, maximum 60 minutes. We can hear and the click, manual timer with a bell. And it has an auto shut off, of course, and we have the power indicator and the heating up light here, 2 indicators. Just pull, 4.2 liters capacity, washable, very durable. Inside we can see the heating element with a fan. Some safety switches. If you pull the basket, it will stop the cooking process. And of course here we have the removable die-cast grill grit for tender, juicy meat and perfectly cooked vegetables. And you can install that, just hold just like that and install that inside. Definitely I will test that. I like it. On a black, silver color, glossy area here, matte around. Definitely you have a premium product. Easy fry and grill. So let's move on for cooking. Okay, first I will test the grill with a steak. As we can see, it says for 250 grams, preheating 15 minutes, cooking 6 to 8 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. This is on grill mode. The the power on indicator green light and orange the heat up indicator. When it will reach at 200 degrees Celsius, it will switch off. And finish the preheat. Okay, here we have the steaks. Ready? Oh yeah, it's already started. Another one. I think it can fit perfect 2 large steaks. And 8 minutes. Definitely I will check the cooking process when it goes to 5 minutes. Now let's take a look. Turning around. And resuming the cooking. Now if you remove the basket, the timer is keep working. Just to have that in your mind. And done. Nice and juicy. Now the total cooking time was 13 minutes. Well done the steak. I just love it. You can definitely check the process all the time. Just remove the basket. So there you have it. Yep, nice and juicy. Just love it. Tastes amazing. Let's take a look at the basket. I need to clean that. Clean your air fryer basket every time after finishing cooking. I don't need this adapter for the grill. Frozen fries, 600 grams, large fries. As you can see, maximum you can add 800 grams. It depends the thickness of the fries. 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And I will check the cooking process. Okay, let's have a look. Shake them a little bit. Definitely you can add about 800 grams. Plenty of space. Let's check again. I think they need about 5 minutes more. And done. Now I like it. Perfect. Now next, again I will install this grill, but not at this side, only at this side. Grill it is at this side. Perfect. For chicken, there's the chicken. Chicken breast fillets 100 to 500 grams, 12 to 19 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. You can cook the whole chicken only 1 kilogram. I didn't find any chicken 1 kilogram at the market. It is so small. So that's why I will cook this chicken breast. 180 degrees Celsius, 20 minutes. Yep. And I will check the cooking process. Okay, let's check. Ooh, nice and juicy. Chicken is ready. Ooh. Just love the color. It's a robust, well-built machine that delivers on the promise of healthier, faster cooking without sacrificing flavor. Beautiful and juicy. I really like how versatile it is, from crispy fries to grilled meats, and how easy it is to use and clean. The 4.2 liters capacity is perfect for everyday family meals. If you are tired of soggy, air-fried meat, the answer is resounding yes. That 2-in-1 technology is a game changer. You can go from perfectly crispy fries to a seared, juicy steak with those beautiful grill marks in a single machine. It's fast, it uses almost no oil, and it actually saves up to 70% energy compared to a traditional oven. It's essentially a countertop revolution for busy weeknights. If this video helped you decide, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and cooking tests. Thanks for watching, enjoy your cooking, and I'll see you in the next one.